Welcome to The Explainer. So today we are tackling something absolutely incredible right in your very own kitchen. Authentic Hainan chicken rice. If you've ever wanted to recreate that perfectly savory, melt-in-your-mouth, restaurant-quality dish at home, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through this step by step using a master recipe.
Now, you might be wondering, what actually makes Hainan chicken rice truly authentic? Is it just the ingredients you put in it? Well, yes and no. What's really fascinating about the recipe we're about to unpack is that the secret lies deeply in masterful technique. It's really all about how you treat those ingredients, how you build layers of flavor, and how you execute the cooking process itself. And to make sure we're getting those techniques absolutely perfect, we're grounding our explainer today in the deep culinary heritage of Sasa. They were founded by Rada Mas all the way back in 1968, and they're a leading Indonesian food and seasoning company deeply rooted in authentic flavor profiles. So trust me, we are in incredibly good, experienced hands here.
Now hold on. Before you start picturing yourself slaving over a hot stove all afternoon, let me reassure you. 40, that's all it takes. Just about 40 minutes to prepare this entire authentic culinary experience. It's incredibly efficient, which, let's be honest, is exactly how we like to learn and cook. To keep things simple, we're using a two-pillar method. Pillar 1, the chicken, building the foundation of flavor.
All right, so the chicken isn't just the protein here. It's literally the flavor engine for everything else that follows. We are aiming for the perfect poached chicken. The ingredients are pretty straightforward. 1 whole chicken, 2 liters of water, 8 cloves of garlic, 3 centimeters of ginger, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. But here is the real secret weapon. 1 teaspoon of Sasa MSG powder. Adding that precise amount extracts the absolute deepest, most savory flavors right out of the chicken as it cooks. It's a game changer.
Okay, let's get into the execution. Step 1, you're going to season that whole chicken thoroughly with your salt, your pepper, and of course that Sasa MSG. Step 2, bring your 2 liters of water to a boil. Carefully add the seasoned chicken and listen closely here because this is crucial. Cook this for 30 minutes on a low heat. I really want to emphasize this. If you boil it aggressively, you'll completely ruin the texture. A gentle, low heat is the absolute key to keeping that meat incredibly tender. So, how do we know when it's perfectly done? Well, this brings us to a massive pro tip straight from the recipe: 71 degrees Celsius. Seriously, don't guess here. Use a needle thermometer to check the core temperature of the chicken. When it hits exactly 71 degrees, pull it out. That precise number guarantees you're getting perfectly safe, unbelievably juicy meat every single time. Now, whatever you do, do not pour that leftover liquid down the sink. Look at this transformation. We took plain water and raw aromatics and we turned them into a rich, savory chicken broth. You've got to strain this and save it. This broth is literally liquid gold, and it instantly becomes the lifeblood of our second pillar. Which brings us seamlessly to pillar 2, fragrant rice, where the magic comes together. You see, authentic Hainan chicken rice isn't just plain steamed rice served on the side. The magic really happens because that savory, rich broth we just meticulously made, we're going to use that to cook our rice. For the base, we need 400 grams of rice, along with some heavy-hitting flavor builders. 80 grams of chicken skin, a tablespoon each of margarine and oil, 3 coriander root stems, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 centimeters of ginger, and a half teaspoon of salt. What's super interesting here is the chicken skin and coriander root. Cooking those in the margarine and oil first builds this incredibly fragrant, savory foundation before the rice even touches the pot. Next up, we need our flavor enhancers. We're talking 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of salty soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Notice that 1 teaspoon of Sasa chicken broth powder in there? That specific seasoning acts as the ultimate flavor bridge, making sure the rice is boldly savory and perfectly complements our poached chicken. All right, let's put this all together. Step 1, in that same pot, heat your margarine and oil and saute your chicken skin, coriander root, ginger, and garlic. Trust me, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Step 2, add your uncooked rice, all those flavor enhancers, and exactly 650 milliliters of that saved chicken broth. Step 3, give it a stir, cover it up tight, and cook on a very low heat for about 30 minutes. Just imagine those grains of rice slowly soaking up every last drop of that incredible seasoned broth. Once those 30 minutes are up, turn off the heat. And here comes the hardest part. Do not open that lid. We need a critical resting phase of exactly 20 minutes.
just leave it alone. This resting period is essential because it lets the rice finish steaming in that trapped residual heat, giving you fluffy perfection without burning the bottom.
Okay, the resting time is over, which means it's time for serving your masterpiece, bringing the two pillars together.
This is the grand finale. We've crafted our poached chicken. We've built all those layers of flavor into our fragrant rice. Now, let's plate it up. It's simple but elegant. Just slice up that juicy chicken however you like it and serve it beautifully right next to a generous scoop of that savory Hainan rice. Oh, and I highly recommend adding some fresh cucumber slices. It's totally optional, but it gives you this wonderful, refreshing crunch that just perfectly balances out all those deep, rich flavors.
And just like that, you've recreated an absolute culinary classic right at home. Using these structured techniques and Sauce's recipe, you really can't go wrong. So that leaves me with one final question for you. You've mastered the two pillars of authentic Hainan chicken rice. What culinary classic will you conquer next? I hope this explainer leaves you feeling super empowered, confident in the kitchen, and honestly, just incredibly hungry. Thanks for learning with me today, and happy cooking.